Welcome to the heart of downtown Mississauga. Today we're going to be touring Ovation by Tridel at 3880 Duke of York Boulevard. Its prime location is at the center of iconic landmarks including M-City, Civic Center and the Clock Tower, Square One and the Marilyn Monroe Towers. Wow, what amazing unobstructed views of the city and lake. Let's take a look inside. This 850 plus square foot unit features 2 bedrooms and a den and 2 full baths. Both bedrooms are spacious with large windows that offer unobstructed south views. This building has amazing amenities, including indoor swimming pool, gym, party room, bowling alley, and this massive courtyard. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you want to see this unit in person, please reach out to me. See you next time.